up on the screen here, it'd be awesome. It would be great. Did you plug it into one of the cord things there? That's really good. All right. So speaking of communications, as I said, a number of our developers and startups are focusing on communications. This is brandlive, and brandlive is about communications as well, but it's live, one-on-one video communications. Now, you might say, well, there's Skype and there's all these other chat things, and I know how to do this, and it's nothing special. But what if we said you could do that kind of thing and you didn't have to download any software to the other end? Wouldn't that be awesome? It would be. And if it worked, it'd be extra awesome. And if we could demo it here, it would be like super duper. And how is it going so far? All right, well, let's see. You got, let's make sure we got number 3 and C and the B thing turned on. And we flip the switch, and now it might work. Give it just a second to sync up. I think the B one was the one we wanted. Come on. Okay. So it looks like it's on something. You're in. Fritz, take us home.
Okay, how's everybody doing? No, really. How's everybody doing? Come on. All right.
We're good, Fritz.
That's great. That's great. Okay, so my name is Fritz Brumder. I'm from brandlive. We have a very fun, interactive, and personal communication tool. It essentially allows product companies to do live product demonstrations on their website, in their social channels, so on Facebook, and through their affiliates. And we provide them a very turnkey and simple way to do that. In fact, the setup that I have right here, just a laptop and a webcam, allows you to do a brandlive event. So, and we've got a lot of traction. We've got a lot of great customers. Last week, we launched products for Thermarest, Keen Footwear, Sims Fishing. And this month, we're doing product launches for REI, Marmot Mountain, and Corker's Footwear. We've joked around a lot that we've got more launches than North Korea. There's my joke right there. Yeah. Yes, definitely, yes. More successful launches than North Korea. Okay, so a perfect example of what I'm talking about is this case with Marmot. So this is Curly Cervones, the North American sales manager, and he came to us with 3 key problems. The first one is, as they come out with more products, it keeps getting faster and faster. If they create a product, they need to get it to market, trained, and sold much faster than they used to. It used to be like an 18-month lead cycle. Now it's much shorter than that. They always are coming out with new technology, something that they have created that differentiates them against their previous products and gets you to buy more, or differentiates them against their competitors' products. And the third one is that their retail channels are fragmented. They've got big box stores that have lots of locations, and then they have small specialty that only have a few, and they're all over the place. So Marmot found the brandlive tool. So with brandlive, they're able to do live product demonstrations on their website, as you can see here, and they can partner with retailers like REI. So REI will market this to their end consumers and say, hey, we've got a product expert from Marmot. He's going to talk about all the products that are sold on rei.com and in REI stores. People can come on from Orlando to Cambridge and ask that person questions in real time, and that convinces them to drop $200 on a nice new jacket. So, let's see what we can do.
It's not necessarily like signature where they're all identical.
probably can't hear this very well, but so I'll talk you through it. Essentially, these are all examples of companies using brandlive to launch new products and talk about new information, so you can kind of visually see it happening here. And essentially what we do is create some interactivity with the audience, transparency of that, so it's a social engagement. Usually we refer to that as social commerce, and then those questions get incorporated into the video in real time. So let's test the internet speed out here and actually show you how this works. Okay, so first of all, you just come to our website, yourbrandlive.com, and we've got actually a couple self-service pricing programs. You can come set up a free trial account, and that's very simple. You just fill out a form. It'll create a subdomain for you, and within a few minutes you can run your own brandlive video events. Or you can sign up for one of our monthly packages, and basically the easy way to explain the differences is in the customization of design. So a lot of those examples that you saw, it actually looks like the brand when they're delivering it. Okay, so let's pretend I've actually set up an account, and this is one of our newest customers, Patagonia, and they're participating in something that we have coming up called Fishing Live, which is a brand live sales day with lots of fishing brands all doing 1 hour of sales on their product, and fishing enthusiasts can come to that Fishing Live day and interact with multiple brands. It's essentially like a consumer conference on fishing product. Okay, so this is what the Brand Live page will ultimately look like. You've got video, descriptions, questions from the audience, and product information. So let's go back here and actually create a new event. Sit down for this part. Okay, so I simply just fill out this form, select a date. I'm just going to do the minimal amount of stuff right now, but something I might show you is uploading PowerPoint slides. So I can just select the first one, hold down the Shift key. It's going to automatically upload these PowerPoint slides. I can choose to have them advanced by an admin. I can turn registration on, or I can moderate comments. I can connect this to Twitter so that if people are making comments during the Brand Live event, it'll post a tweet to their account as well and create a link back to the page. So offer some nice social promotion. And there we go. I just fill out that little form, and now I have an innotech event, and I could put in HTML content in this space here, HTML content below the video and above the slides. And if I want to go live to this particular event, simply come to this page, click Start Broadcast, and now I'm live to anybody in the world on this Patagonia Live innotech page. So that's really all that you need to do to run Brand Live. That's really all that you need to do to run Brand Live. That's really all that you need to do to run Brand Live. That's really all. Eventually that'll sound really bad, but I just created my own little crowd of talking about it. So that's how it works.
That's fantastic.
Thank you.
Let's hear it for Fritz.